Mastering FATCA. Financial institutions must defy FATCA's operational quagmire to survive. Where can financial institutions overcome the key challenges that arise when implementing FATCA operational excellence, and what strategies can they employ to address these hurdles effectively? Financial institutions can overcome the key challenges that arise when implementing FATCA operational excellence by adopting a comprehensive and structured approach that encompasses people, process, and technology. This involves establishing a robust governance framework, streamlining processes, leveraging technology, and fostering a culture of compliance. Firstly, financial institutions should establish a robust governance framework that clearly defines roles and responsibilities, sets out guidelines and policies, and ensures accountability. This framework should be supported by a FATCA Program Management Office that oversees the implementation of FATCA requirements and ensures compliance with regulatory expectations. The Program Management Office should be responsible for developing and maintaining a FATCA implementation roadmap, identifying and mitigating risks, and ensuring that all stakeholders are informed and trained on their FATCA-related responsibilities. Secondly, financial institutions should streamline their processes to eliminate inefficiencies and reduce the risk of errors. This can be achieved by automating manual processes, implementing a centralized client onboarding system, and integrating FATCA reporting with existing reporting requirements. Financial institutions should also develop a client classification and recertification process that ensures accurate and timely identification of reportable accounts. This process should be supported by a comprehensive client data management system that captures and maintains accurate client information. Thirdly, financial institutions should leverage technology to support their FATCA implementation. This can be achieved by implementing a FATCA compliance software solution that automates the identification, reporting, and withholding requirements of FATCA. The software solution should have the capability to integrate with existing systems, provide real-time reporting and analytics, and offer flexible workflows to accommodate changing business needs. Fourthly, financial institutions should foster a culture of compliance that emphasizes the importance of FATCA compliance and encourages employees to take ownership of their FATCA-related responsibilities. This can be achieved by providing comprehensive training programs that educate employees on FATCA requirements, risk, and consequences of non-compliance. Financial institutions should also establish a system of rewards and penalties that incentivizes employees to comply with FATCA requirements and discourages non-compliance. In addition, financial institutions should employ various strategies to address specific hurdles that arise during FATCA implementation. For instance, to address the challenge of sourcing and verifying client information, financial institutions can implement a client outreach program that educates clients on their FATCA obligations and encourages them to provide required information. To address the challenge of managing multiple and conflicting regulations, financial institutions can develop a regulatory mapping framework that identifies and prioritizes regulatory requirements and ensures that FATCA implementation is aligned with other regulatory initiatives. Furthermore, financial institutions can address the challenge of managing and reporting on a large volume of data by implementing a data governance framework that ensures data accuracy, completeness, and integrity. This framework should include data quality metrics, data validation rules, and data reconciliation processes to ensure that reportable accounts are accurately identified and reported. Moreover, financial institutions can address the challenge of managing and mitigating FATCA-related risks by implementing a risk management framework that identifies, assesses, and mitigates risks associated with FATCA implementation. This framework should include risk assessments, risk metrics, and risk mitigation strategies to ensure that risks are properly managed and mitigated. Finally, financial institutions can address the challenge of balancing the cost of FATCA implementation with the need to maintain profitability by implementing a cost-benefit analysis framework that evaluates the costs and benefits of different FATCA implementation strategies. This framework should include cost-benefit metrics, implementation timelines, and resource allocation plans to ensure that FATCA implementation is aligned with business objectives and budgets. In conclusion, financial institutions can overcome the key challenges that arise when implementing FATCA operational excellence by adopting a comprehensive and structured approach that encompasses people, process, and technology. By establishing a robust governance framework, streamlining processes, Leveraging technology, fostering a culture of compliance, and employing various strategies to address specific hurdles, financial institutions can ensure that they are well equipped to meet the operational and compliance demands of FATCA.